Disclaimer: this is a work of fiction and creativity. This is not real. Do not carry out any of the instructions in this video. This is for your entertainment. Be aware that this can generate scared feelings. Enjoy. We interrupt your regular programming to bring you this emergency message. Important instructions will follow. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the United States Government, SCP Foundation, and Central Intelligence Agency. An entity known as SCP-096 has breached containment and is currently running directly to the Apache County. SCP stands for Secure, Contain, Protect. At this time, please carry out the following instructions. Barricade yourself in a room. Lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and air conditioning systems. Blindfold yourself. And stay calm. All citizens of any county in Arizona are required to stay indoors and carry out the instructions previously given. Please wait for an MTF squad to extract you to a safer location. Stay tuned to this station for updates on this situation. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an update to the previous message given earlier today. At around 10 a.m. Mountain Time, SCP-096 has torn apart all humans that have looked at its face, and is still in an enraged state. It is running towards the neighborhoods of Apache. SCP-096 looks like a tall, very pale-looking entity, with abnormally large arms. If you happen to hear a large deafening shrieking noise, dial 911 immediately. Remember, do not look at the entity's face. If you happen to even get a glimpse of its face, it is over, it is too late, prepare for certain death. This is an administrative message. At this time, you may leave your shelters. SCP-096 has been recontained and is back in an undisclosed location. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.